Okay, I'm putting this video together because I've marked or attempted to mark some of the assignments and they're way off. Now granted, you were given an engineering problem. In the past, we allowed students to form their own problems or find their own problems and then write about those. And there's always been some form of issue. So they've either not been able to find a problem, or there's not enough information for them, right, to complete the problem. So in this assignment, we have given you an engineering problem to complete. The engineering problem, however, is basically the background to this. It's a vehicle. It allows you to use a variety of different resources. Using those resources, you can complete the engineering problem. Now, if you look there, there's an engineering problem, there's calculations and research. You've then got to produce the report. Now, this is the meat and potatoes of the assignment. The engineering problem is just the background. So you need to find all the information using either books, technical reports, application notes, data sheets, data books, okay, the internet, etc., etc. So when you use these, you need to pick one. So say, for instance, the internet. And then you need to pick something else, such as the intranet. Then from that, in your research, what were the advantages of using the internet? What are the advantages of using the intranet? What are the disadvantages, if you want to pick the disadvantages? And then you need to give us a reason of why you picked one over the other. What some people have done is written endless amounts of information about the problem. Brilliant. And then in one paragraph have turned around and said, I use books, technical reports, intranet and internet. And on some occasions, they've actually just put their calculations into a paragraph. Well, that's not what's being asked. If you're going to do calculations, you need to use a relevant software program. Tell us what the advantages of using it are, the disadvantages of it, right? Give us an alternative, and then give us a reason why you picked that resource. So you don't have to write and compare five silos. Just pick a silo, because we're not after what the actual silo. We're after these things that are in the list. So have you used books, technical reports, application notes, etc., etc., etc. All right. So it's about the resources, not the actual engineering problem. Review your assignments. If you need to change them, resubmit them and put them in the new folder, and I will mark them. All right. This needs to be done by the end of next week, please. Okay, without fail.